Hello programmers, welcome back to my another problem solving video, and today I will discuss about the F-nong problem, which is multiplication table. And in this problem it says given a number n, print the multiplication table of number from 1 to 12. So that means I have to print from 1 to 12 and the values of the uh, multiplicative answer. Okay, so basically I have to print the multiplication table from 1 to 12. So the n value can be 1 from 1 to 50, and I can use integer data type to store the to print the values. So print 12 lines according to the required above. Now I can copy the, and don't need it to copy actually, since this is the only one number actually. So this is the previous problem source code. Just remove it. I remove it also. For example, I write 5 as the input dot in the input.txt file. So what next? I need to take the input 5 from the user. So take it. After that, run a for loop. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less or equal 12, I plus plus. After that, cout, write cout. Then at first what I have to print, I have to print the value n and the value I and the multiplicative answers. Okay, the production actually. So the value n, print a star sign, basically x. I think x is not x actually, star sign. Okay, then print the value I, then print equal sign actually. After that, just multiply it with I, then print an end line. So this is the output actually. So if I build this program, so it will print number uh, 1 to 12. Okay, and this is the answer. 5 into 12 is equal to 60. Okay, perfect. So let's submit this. Browse main.cpp, submit. Alhamdulillah, accepted. So I end up this video here. See you on the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.